Alright, today we were outside of Ouray, Colorado, exploring the Uncompahgre Gorge. So we'll be traveling around. We're gonna check out Bear Creek Falls first, which is where we're at right now. See if I can manually swivel this girl for you. Doesn't want to do what I'm saying. Alright, there you can see big old Bear Creek Falls. Now we are just outside of Ouray, like 7 minutes down the road. We're about to explore the Sutton Mine Trail, which is just past, I think this is Ice Park or something. You gotta park a little farther down the road and hike up to the trailhead. You get a nice view of the area as you hike up. It's a cool little mountain city, mountain town. Alright, once you pass the Ouray perimeter trail, you're gonna get to where you see this lovely view of the town. And then off to the left is the Sutton Mine Trailhead, which is gonna give us some good views. We're gonna see Bear Creek Falls from a different perspective. And there's like some old mining and antique thing up there that's no longer operational, but it's still there. Alright, we got half a mile to overlook the city, and 1.7 for the falls, 2.2 for the turnaround. 4 total. Now I'm not sure if I'm at the official overlook of the little town, but pretty nice view right now. I've come up pretty dang far. Not sure how far I am. Kinda on my own right now. But let us carry on and see if we can see the rest of this beautiful area. Now I am at the official Ouray, hooray for Ouray Overlook. That's how I'm gonna remember how to say it, because that's how somebody online said to remember it. It's quite a cool landscape surrounding this little valley town. Wouldn't be a bad place to live. But in half a mile, you pretty much take out all your elevation gain, hopefully, on this trail. And now it's just views. It's all good, baby, baby. You see this little, can you see it? Where is it? I don't know if you can see it. A little bit. See that little lake or pond down there? Press wait. Looks like there's a lot of cool stuff to do around here. Now I'm not sure how far in I am so far, but it's kind of flattening out. There is still a little bit more of a climb past that last point. I should be getting close though. It's only, 1.2 miles past that, and I should see the falls from a pretty good viewpoint. Sun's out though, mild breeze. It's pretty nice. I enjoy it. Okay. It appears I've made it to the Bear Creek Overlook. Only 0.6 miles to the little abandoned mine. Where exactly is it? Looking for that waterfall we were just at. Maybe it's up here a little bit, because I don't see it. Might have to go off the path here. Let's see. Oh. It's right I don't know if I can see it from this spot. I have to go farther down. That's where it is. Right in that little pocket. No, you can't see it from here. I don't know why they call this the Overlook, but I'll keep going on the trail and then I'll give you a little peek. Alright, so you're going to want to pass across 2 little waterways, go through a wooded area, and then you'll get to see it in all its glory. It's a lot cooler from over here. Oh yeah. And see, that's not even flowing real hard right now. I'm sure when it's got the snow runoff from all that mountainside coming down, it just flows and rushes out there. It's kind of just, that's like a trickle for that thing. Got a little building over there. The $1 Million Highway here. I'm going to continue on just for a little bit more. See that little abandoned mine dealie. It shouldn't be that far. It was only 0.6 from that last viewpoint. Alright, so just past that good view of the waterfall, you start getting to the abandoned mine stuff. Little shack thingy over here. Make a nice little shelter. I don't know what that was for, but if it was raining, maybe that would be handy. Lock that baby back up. Walk over here. Oh yeah, there's some old, I think those are little rails for their carts. Oh, there's stuff on both sides for mining. Okay. And yeah, got a crushed bill. Oh, look at that little mine cart still on the track. No wheels though. Oh, what is that? Danger. Nice. So this is the Sutton Mine. And it's just past that really good view. Historical site. Blah blah blah. All in a turd. It just pretty much says don't mess it up. Oh wow. What do we got here? High explosives. Danger. What's this? Helping preserve. Ooh, looks like some mice have been chomping on that. You can sign that if you'd like. I'm good on that. I guess it's kind of a thing here to leave behind some unmentionables. I did not know that. So if you ever need some clothes, they got a thrift shop right at the top. I'm gonna keep going because I guess there's supposed to be like an old antique spot. Okay, here we go. It's right up here. Is another thingy. People I just passed said they couldn't find the little gift shop, but maybe the sign was taken down or something. That's zippity doo-dah. Up here, let's see what we got. Okay, I don't know what this is. Hayden Como Corporation. Probably not the shop. Huh. Man. I got some bunk beds here. Bunk beds here. This is cool. I don't know if these are legit pictures, but they look pretty dang cool. The floor's kind of, whoa, a little creaky. There's a little downstairs area, which I shall skip for the moment. Pretty cool though. I just went around the side. Here's the downstairs area. It's got a little room here, little walkway there, and that's the steps that I didn't go down. Let's see if there's anything else cool over here. Alright, so I'm not really seeing that there's anything past that little settlement. So maybe the sign was taken down or something, I'm not sure. It might keep going, but I'm good on that. It was pretty cool. I'm just gonna head back, chill for a little bit, see if my friend will catch up. And then we're gonna head into Ouray and check out one last waterfall. And that'll be the end of the gorge. Hope you enjoy.